Welcome home. You won't believe the amazing transformation this beautiful property took just 2 years ago, making the home feel light and airy, but homey at the same time. Living room opens up to the kitchen, custom remodeled kitchen with wood cabinets, great L-shaped counter, and plenty of seating for everybody. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath property sits overlooking a lake with an amazing backyard, perfect to enjoy with Fido or entertaining at night with friends and family. Amazing location, only a few minutes to the beach. Grab your fishing pole and head out to one of the bridges, or head downtown to a Jags game within 15 minutes. Shopping is nearby at the St. John's Town Center, and there's minimal traffic to get in and out of the neighborhood on Mount Pleasant. Check it out today.